Kia ora, good morning. It is Friday, casual Friday. Cardigan Friday. Definitely still spring in Wellington out there. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank. Markets in a minute. Okay, big news overnight. Split, kind of. So yesterday evening and then earlier this morning. China, yesterday evening, they announced that the soonish to be signed Phase 1 trade deal with the US, that is going to specify that the existing tit for tariffs will be rolled back as assorted milestones are reached. That sounds sensible and good. Yeah, a few hours ago, earlier this morning, the US officials expressed the same, so confirmation, boom! US equities, they stretched to new all-time highs, the Kiwi, the Aussie bounced, oil surged, good times for risk assets. But it wasn't a free-for-all buy anything and everything risk rally. US markets, they might be at new all-time highs, but only just. The market's been burnt on US-China news before, so yeah, it's a sense of cautious optimism, choppy cautious optimism. We did this earlier in the week for something else, but yeah, movements in the Kiwi, probably one of the cleanest demonstrations of the sentiment shift on trade news. So, yesterday, when basically nothing data-wise happened, Kiwi drifted listlessly lower. We left it last night around 63.5 US cents. China hitting the wires, that pushed the bird through to the high of 63.86. By midnight, though, all that positivity had been wrung out of the China news, and we drifted back. And that took us to the overnight low of 63.42. Then the US confirmation came along, bouncy. We're sitting around 63.6 at the time of recording. Yeah, wild. What else? Bank of England, no change to their cash rate, but some interesting quirks in what they said. We'll touch on that in first hand. The written part, because reading is still cool. It's not all videos. Yeah, TikTok. That is enough from me, I think. Have a wonderful weekend. Ka kite.